Salma from the UAE.
Hello, Assalamu Alaikum, Sheikh.
Salam rahmatullah.
I had a dream in the morning that my teeth is just falling without any pain. I just want to know the interpretation of the dream.
I do not give dream interpretations because I don't have any knowledge in that. If your teeth fell without any pain, you have to be careful. Maybe it is an indication that you backbite people and slander them, and that is a very, very bad sign. But as I said, I don't know. Ruby from Bangladesh.
Assalamu alaikum, Shaykh.
Alaikum salam.
Is eating food in dreams mean that we have evil eyes or magic? Someone is seeing food regularly in dreams, but he doesn't remember if he eats or not.
What does he see in the dream?
Is eating food in dreams mean that we have evil eyes or magic?
No, it means you're hungry. It means nothing. Ignore it and move on. She says, is it possible to see Allah in our dreams? This is an issue of dispute. We have a hadith that is authentic, that the Prophet ﷺ saw Allah in a dream. However, Allah is beyond our imagination, and no one can see Allah Azza wa Jal before the day of judgment, as He would reveal Himself to us when we are in paradise, if Allah grant us this greatest favor and blessing of all. While in dreams, it's a possibility that Allah Azza wa Jal may manifest Himself as He wishes and pleases to an individual, as per the hadith. And it was reported that Imam Ahmad said that he saw Allah Azza wa Jal in a dream. The issue is nowadays, if I see a dream where someone says that He's Allah, how would I verify this? I can't. And the vast majority of such claims would most likely and probably be Satan impersonating Allah Azza wa Jal and telling the individual, he comes in his dream, that he's Allah so that he misguide him. But is it a possibility? It is a possibility. Are there any consequences? Not that I know of. So if in your dream you see Allah Azza wa Jal and He tells you that I have exempted you from praying Fajr on time, you have to only pray 4 prayers, this is Satan, definitely. Or changing the law of Sharia, this is Satan. Or telling you when the day of judgment is, this is Satan. All of these things are not true and can't be true because they go against the religion of Allah, and the religion is complete. As per Surah Al-Ma'idah, Allah Azza wa Jal says, Al-Yawma akmaltu lakum dinakum. Today I have completed your religion. So the religion is complete. It cannot be completed more, or you cannot add things or subtract things from the religion now, because that would go against the ayah where Allah shows us His favor and blessing by telling us that the deen is complete. At the time of the Prophet, the deen is complete, alayhi salatu wasalam. There's no way that it can be altered or changed till the day of judgment. So I hope this answers your question.